All right, guys. Michael and we're out here at the good lake that I catch a ton of fish at. Just stuck a toad on the spro. It's dark.
Look at that belly.
Oh, that's a big belly here. Hold her up sideways for the camera. Stuck a good fish, 4.5. Just weighed her on the scale, and we're gonna let her go.
We were just talking about just feeling that hit. We were wanting it.
And yeah, and we got it. All right, yeah, she's good.
Yeah, see, she's kicking. She's just not going. There she goes.
Yeah, big fish, nice. Start the morning off right with the, that was a bluegill, probably got really freaked out. Yeah, reel came off during the fight, had a little mishap.
As soon as I set the hook, it came off. I had to reel it in like that.
Can't see it, but yeah, reel came off. All right, guys, we'll get back with you. All right. Spro fish, number 2. Missed a toad, boil, and already got a 4.5. Show her up to the camera.
Chunk.
For that stomach, yeah, that's a chunk. That is a chunk for sure. He's fishing. He's fishing this. He had a big. It looked like a monster following that thing. One of those big giant follows, and didn't get her in. But and then that fish hit. Yeah. I think it was a different fish because what I saw.
That one was big.
What I saw was back behind that log.
Oh really?
And it was something huge, man. Like it was a real deal.
One right there.
Yeah. There's a bunch of fish active. It's gonna be a good day. We were standing right there, and now we're standing right here. We've already had 3 big fish on. I missed one on the shellcracker. It's gonna be a good day, guys. We'll get back with you. Caught a nice chunky girl on the shellcracker. Good coloration on that fish, real healthy. Fun fishing. She ate it. I cranked down on her, set the hook, missed her, felt the bait crank down in the dirt. As soon as it floated up, the second it hit the top, she chased it back down and ate it again. And I got her that time. Nice healthy fish. We'll get a little weight. She's got a real fat stomach on her. You know, now that I carry a scale around with me, why not get a weight? Zeroed out. 213, almost 3. 3 ounces away from 3.
Pretty chunky.
Real chunky, yeah. Real healthy. It almost looks like a big spot. All right, I'm gonna get a release on her. Get her into the deeper water. Can't really step down, that's all nasty. But yeah, guys, we'll get back with you.
I didn't think about that.
Move your hand. All right, punch it through. Got the hook in his leg. We've been wrenching at it. Can't get it out. Decided to wait and make a cast with the shellcracker and stick a fish.
First cast.
First cast. Crazy morning we've had here. Really cold. That's really weird.
Fog's coming in.
Yeah, fog's coming in. Shellcracker fish, solid.
But I don't think. Oh. Never mind.
She goes. We'll get back with you guys. God, Michael's real screwed up. I'm just gonna have to hand line this fish for him. Shellcracker fish. Oh, dude, it's a toad. Oh yeah. Score. Oh man, that's awesome. Oh yeah, she smacked it. Shellcracker, black dog. We'll get more video in a minute. All right guys, scale wouldn't work, so we're just gonna have to release this girl. I'll grab her.
Got that spro in my leg.
Yeah, we'll show you that in a second, guys.
As soon as it hit the water, too. Cool.
Nice. She goes, guys. Yeah, so we tried to pop that hook through. It's too deep to do it. But that's not gonna stop him from fishing. Hook past the barb, owner ST66.
Just tied it off with braid.
Tied it off with braid so it wouldn't flop around. And he goes and sticks a toad on the shellcracker. Awesome, man. Hey guys. Nice little guy on the shellcracker here. I'm not rolling hat cam because I got the low battery on the camera because someone did. Alright, stuck a nice chunky guy on the black dog shellcracker. Not exactly a swamp buster. Kind of. I've been in a 5 pound, I haven't caught a fish over 5 pounds in like a month and a half now. But a nice fat guy, we'll get a weight. Just because we got the scale, you know. Yeah, black dog bait shellcracker in ghost bluegill color. Been doing major work on that bait, both of us, recently. So, yeah, we'll get a quick weight.
It's a solid.
Yeah, it's not, I mean, it's not, it's a fun fish. 2.8, no, 2.10, 2.11. So, 2.11. Sweet.
That Big Bass Dream shirt.
Oh yeah, yeah. Wrapping the Big Bass Dream shirt. Got the thing in today. Killer. We'll get a few pictures and let this girl go, guys. Thanks for watching.
Oh, it's just the way I hooked him.
That was sweet, man. God, there's some really fat fish in this lake right now. Tater hog.
That's sick.
Man, I think they're feeding up.
We need to pick. Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
Second fish on.
Tater hog. 8-inch. Heavy floater. Get some pictures and let her go. At the bank giant on the tater hog.
As soon as I was telling Kyle, I saw something over there jump, like it spooked, and exactly where I saw that fish spook, this beauty hit.
Show her to the camera.
Look at that.
That is a monster.
It's the third one, and this is the exact same spot on the tater hog.
This is good stuff out here. It's
Loving
like
this.
it's like 9:30. Topwater bite
It's
should
not-
be off.
Yep.
Bluebird sky, sun's out.
I'm loving this bait already.
It's a mean bait, guys. 8-inch.
Look at that guy.
We'll get some weights real quick for her. I turned the camera on right as she came out of the water. Let me get a weight on this fish.
I'm saying like 3 or 4. It's a nice one.
Dude, it is. I think it's way more than 3 or 4.
I gotta look. I gotta come backwards and look at it.
Oh, you're right, dude.
What?
4-1.
Right on.
That is a really big fish for 4-1.
Yeah, it's,
Here,
it's
grab
really
her.
long. It's a little. The belly isn't. It's not filled out.
Sure. That's a big 4-1. We'll get some pictures and let this girl go. Alright, snag and release video on this fish.
It's really long.
Really long 4-pounder. Gosh. There she is. Weight is held in there. There's the bait. 8-inch tater hog. Custom Lake X paint job on her. Swim baits in the summer, guys. Other times of year, we fish other stuff. But in the summer, these baits kill. We'll get back with you.
Oh, it's a nice one too.
No way. We're filming B-roll for the video. That is insane, dude.
As I was just saying, what if we get one while we're filming it?
We're filming some B-roll footage. We were just doing that reel segment that you see or have seen, or it will come up in this video.
Oh, deadly hookup. Look at that. All trebles are in them.
Tater hog.